Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to discover how to make dreamy, Ghibli-inspired art using just Canva? Click the Create button, then select Custom Size. Enter your desired dimensions. I'll use 300 by 300 pixels for this example. After entering your size, confirm your selection to create a new blank design canvas. Go to the Apps section and find Anime Pie. Select it to start creating your Ghibli-style image. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload your photo and apply the Ghibli art style effect automatically. Since we cannot use this app, we can use Magic Media instead. To do this, type Magic Media into the search bar, select Magic Media from the results, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your desired task. Allow your apps to search by adding Magic Media. Select Magic Media from the list, then click to enable it immediately. Go to the Images or Graphics section, then type the style you want into the search bar to find options. To generate graphics from a photo, first locate and select the photo you want to use. Click on the photo to open it in the editor. Next, find the Generate Graphics button, usually located on the right panel. Click Generate Graphics. The software will analyze the photo and create graphic elements based on it. Review the generated graphics and make any adjustments needed. Select your photo, then enter your prompt, describing the Ghibli-style art you want to generate. Type in details like soft lighting, whimsical colors, and magical atmosphere to match the Ghibli aesthetic. Once you've finished your description, click the Generate button. The tool will process your request and display the transformed image. Here we have Ghibli-style art. You can select from any of these four options, or continue if you prefer not to choose. After you've finished editing, click Share. Then select Download to save your finished project to your computer for future use or sharing as needed. Select PNG as the file type, increase the image size to enhance quality, then click the download button to save the improved version to your device. Try making your own Ghibli-style art in Canva now. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.